Welcome to the Rewilding Sanctuary Garden, designed by LASD Studio, where science, beauty, and ecological intelligence come together to restore life to the land. This project is not just a garden. It is a living, evolving system, carefully crafted to repair ecological dysfunctions and ignite new cycles of biodiversity. We began with a deep analysis of the site's fire risks and ecological potential. Based on that, we introduced a carefully planned fuel modification strategy in layers, from the immediate zone around the residence to the extended zones. In these zones, we planted low-growing, non-combustible ground covers and carefully spaced perennials like salvias and eriogonums. In the outer fuel modification zones, we introduced nectar-rich shrubs and trees. The goal is not only fire resilience, it's life regeneration. These plants were chosen to support hummingbirds, native bees, monarch butterflies, lizards, songbirds like the California towhee and western bluebird, and even apex predators like red-tailed hawks and coyotes, which help regulate rodent populations and restore natural balance. Pathways here are more than visual transitions. They are part of our fire prevention system, designed as fire breaks that protect both residents and vegetation from the spread of ground fires, while guiding visitors through an experience of serenity and immersion. Strategically placed water features, from bird baths to shallow ponds, provide hydration points for birds, amphibians, insects, and mammals. These small interventions spark large ecological impacts. We've also integrated bioswales, which capture and infiltrate rainwater. But beyond water management, these systems help create cooler microclimates and support the growth of beneficial soil bacteria, key agents in breaking down organic matter, increasing nutrient cycling, and building a healthier ecosystem from the ground up. Our planting strategy is built on scientific layering, a smart blend of annuals, perennials, shrubs, and trees, each with a purpose. Some are nitrogen fixers like lupinus. Others are deep-root stabilizers like Juncus patens or drought-adapted ornamental grasses like Muhlenbergia. The result? A highly efficient, high-performing system that maximizes ecological return from every square feet of soil. This is more than just design. It's a healing process, restoring degraded soil, controlling invasive pressures, reducing fire risk, and sparking new ecological interactions. We're not decorating. We're reprogramming the land to function as a healthy, intelligent system. It grows, adapts, and supports life across multiple species and trophic levels. The Rewilding Sanctuary Garden is a blueprint for future landscapes, where beauty and biodiversity, safety and science come together with purpose. This project was created by LASD Studio. Landscape architecture, sustainability, and design. We don't just build gardens. We design ecosystems, we restore meaning, and we protect life. This design is rooted in science, guided by vision, and built to evolve.